AC compressor is unplugged, so I just have the button press, so both fans are running, but stays very stable at 196. But when I turn it off, yeah, so within probably about 5 minutes with the single fan running, we're back up to like almost 20. So I'm gonna shut it off. Actually, I'm gonna turn the fan back on and let it cool back down a little bit before I shut it off. But for whatever reason, the single fan is not handling its business. So a few minutes later, I was able to bring it back down to 196 with both fans running. At idle, even with the 180, it still climbs. So it's 180 at cruise, but same deal with the stop and go. Temperature escalates.